Today I wanted to talk about how this device could potentially save your drone. What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Wolfgang and hello from beautiful Southern California. Today I want to talk to you about a device called the GPS module that connects to your Inspire 2 remote. I'm not sure if it actually works on the new DJI Ascendance controller or the Phantom 4 Pro remotes. Right now, as far as I know, it only works on the DJI Inspire 2 remote. But the reason I want to talk to you today about this device is because it has helped me fly with a lot more confidence when I'm contracted for those jobs where I'm supposed to track from a moving vehicle. It's helped me many times on many shoots of mine, especially when you're tracking boats from a boat. Your Inspire 2 is an investment. If you're doing this as a living and you're contracted for those jobs, and if you're in an emergency situation and you need that drone to come back to you, not the original takeoff location, then this device is for you. And what I mean by that is that this device connects to your remote and it constantly updates its home point every 30 seconds to the remote. So if you take off from a dock and you jump on that boat and 30 seconds later you're out in the middle of the water or the ocean, wherever you're tracking your subject from, it's constantly going to update its location. If there ever is an emergency situation where you need that drone to come back to you and not the original takeoff location, you just hit that home button and it's going to come back directly to the remote. It's a very easy setup. All you're going to do is plug in the GPS module into the remote. And the GPS module does come with two pieces of Velcro. Now it's not your typical Velcro where it's like fuzzy and whatnot. It's actually like a plastic type of Velcro, which actually makes it a lot sturdier. Now you can place this GPS module pretty much anywhere you like on the device, but I preferably like to put it right on the top of the iPad mount holder. It's really easy to activate, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna show you how to activate the GPS module. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is launch the DJI Go 4 app. Let it load here. Alright, checking firmware, start flight. Go ahead and click the three dots in the top right hand corner. Should open up your menu display here, and what you're seeing here is the Enable Dynamic Home Point. That's what you want to look for. And mine's already selected on. Select it off real quick here just to show you the process. We'll turn it back on. Enable dynamic home point. When the dynamic home point is enabled, the aircraft will continuously update the home point according to the position of your remote controller. Please always fly with caution. Just okay that. That's just letting you know that you're activating it, and it's gonna switch on and off here. Let's just exit out of there. So if you look at the bottom right hand corner next to the play button, there should be an H with two arrows kind of pointing and circling counterclockwise. This is letting you know that it is enabled, and that H is your home point. So let's just launch it and go up here. Did you see it rotate? Every time it rotates, it's taking a location point. So like I said earlier, the GPS module will update its location every 30 seconds. And there you go, it's now active. So wherever you position yourself, that drone will come right back to you. But that's all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to make this really quick. It's a really cool device. It's super inexpensive. It's $29. And if you want to pick that up, I'll leave a link in the description below. If this video has helped you in any way, shape, or form, go ahead and like the video. If you're new to the channel, hi, my name's Wolfgang. I'm a UAV pilot, owner and operator of AirWolf here in Los Angeles, California. And until the next video, happy flying. I'll see you guys.